Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video we'll see how we can organize our bookmarks on Chrome browser by keeping few of the websites on folders. So I'm going to show you how you can create the folders, different folders. For example, if you have sports websites, you can create a folder called sports, and all the bookmarks of the websites what you want, you can arrange them in this folder. And if you want medical websites, you can create a folder like medical related websites, and all the bookmarked websites can be stored in that. I'll show you. Okay, open this one, your Chrome, and for example, if you're searching a website, so tech answer, this is a tech related website. For example, first, when you want to bookmark this, you need to click on this three dots at right top corner, and you need to click on the star mark. So once you click on star mark, see here, edit bookmark means name of the site. You can edit it or you can keep it like that, whatever the name is. And this is the folder what I'm talking about. So you need to tap on here, and freshly you can click on the folder icon at top right corner, and you can give a name. For in this example, I just saying like tech related, and I'm just opening this and I click on move here. So that's it, now it is moved. Now, so what I'll do is I'll just check the bookmarks. So I'll click on bookmarks under mobile bookmarks, as I did this on mobile. There is a folder called tech related. Under tech related, this tech answered website is stored, and I'm going to show you another one. Okay, for example, any other website. So simply I'm just keeping Google as the bookmark. Okay, yeah, see here, by default, as I just created, tech related is already there. So now I'm changing it to another folder. So I'll create another folder here, like I'm just giving like Google related, something like that. How you can create some folders and add them here, and I'll open this and now move here. So yeah, I'll just check the bookmarks. See, Google related Google. So in this way, you can organize all your bookmarks on the Chrome using folders concept. If you like this tutorial, please do hit a like for this video, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.